products do look a lot different here though. Obviously smaller in size, because well, North Americans on average are larger in body size, so I'm sure these products are all made for the average Malaysian, who is usually smaller in size. Drone in Blue, and this is day 6 in Kuala Lumpur. So today we are a lot more well rested because we basically didn't do anything yesterday, but we are here in Pudu's Kuala Lumpur just to check out the area. There's a lot of Chinese restaurants here that we may want to stop by and eat. We just saw an IKEA sign. Thought maybe we'd just check it out, see what IKEA in Malaysia looks like. But to be honest, I'm not really too sure why we're going to IKEA, but it just made Swedish sense. But I guess it kind of makes sense for us to check out IKEA here in Malaysia, since we are potentially thinking of retiring here. So let's check out what kind of goods that they have in there. We're having problems finding the entrance, but you can see all of the construction all around IKEA. I bet these people will all be buying their stuff from IKEA. Keleng Kapan Rumah. Maybe that means IKEA in Malaysian. I highly doubt it, but if anybody knows, just comment below. Oh, we found some sort of a mall here too, but we had to basically walk all the way around the building to find the entrance for IKEA. Looks like we found the exit, but not the entrance. Interesting. Alright, so we finally found the IKEA entrance. It's the IKEA cafe here. The IKEA food here seems a lot more delicious for some reason than back home. The sloppy hot dogs that they have in North America. So far it looks exactly like the IKEA you would find back home. Alright, just as a comparison, I found a listing of all the particular prices for furniture here. So for all of this stuff, which is pretty much all you really need in the most part, is a total of 2,639 ringgit, and you can pay month by month as well. But you get like a sofa, got some other things here as well. You can decorate all of your items. So we found a cushion here for 30 ringgit, which is about 10 bucks or less. So it kind of gives you a cost comparison to back home. So this is for a 3-seat sofa bed. It's 1,790 ringgit. The products do look a lot different here though. Obviously smaller in size, because well, North Americans on average are larger in body size, so I'm sure these products are all made for the average Malaysian, who is usually smaller in size. So here's another example of what a room would look like in Malaysia, with IKEA furniture of course. There's a whole bunch of different office chairs you can buy as well. This one looks pretty decent for 299 ringgit. But there's a whole bunch of assortments of products. It looks like you can buy this whole kitchen set for 14,320 ringgit. So you get all of this. Refrigerator, microwave, A little dining table, 2 comfortable chairs, a couple of bowls, pots and pans, and this chimney hood. Here's another kitchen set for 11,148 ringgit, but you get all of this. Pretty big dining table with 4 chairs or 5 chairs, a microwave, and some cabinet space as well. And it also has this funky looking chimney hood as well, and induction stoves, I think. You have all these dials. There's also a garbage set here. It's all separated. Raw foods, recyclables, and other garbage. It fits in conveniently underneath the sink. You get these magnetic knife racks as well. It's only 75 ringgit. I also found some interesting Roomba friendly furniture as well. You can hang the chairs right on top of the tables. So if you do have a Roomba, which we do back at home, it can go right underneath these tables. It's also pretty affordable. It's only 99 ringgit for the table. Here's some of the bedding as well. The designs are kind of funky, but definitely of lighter material because it's warmer here in Malaysia than compared to most parts in the United States. I mean, we've gone to IKEA back home, and the prices are actually relatively the same, I would say. So if you are looking to live here, do expect the furniture to be roughly the same or slightly cheaper. The design looks very much Asian. So it looks like this is for a single bedding, but this one would be the price for the frame, which is 649 ringgit, and then the mattress, which would be 399 ringgit. So a total of about 1,000 ringgit just for a single bed. So it kind of gives you an idea of how much a queen size bed or a full size king bed would be. Bed frame here for 1,000 ringgit, and this is just for the frame. And it looks like the mattress is about 1,299 ringgit. So in combination, it's both over 2,000 ringgit. But you can also get a wardrobe here for about 5,000 ringgit, and it gives you this much space, which is pretty much enough. You can also get a dresser drawer for 1,299 ringgit. Or 799 ringgit. Kids section. So if you have children, you can buy a whole assortment of different products for your kids as well, for their bedrooms or whatever products you need for them. So if you have 2 kids, you can get a bunk bed. So you're looking at 799 ringgit for the mattress and the frame. So we decided to eat a little bit of the IKEA food. So these are the types of foods that they have. They have mushroom soup, buffalo wings, and they have meatballs, chicken meatballs, vegetable meatballs, pasta, salmon, Swedish meatballs, spicy chicken wrap, almond, and some desserts. Just have to grab one of these carts here so you can put your food trays on top of it. And I'm just going to place some of these trays on top of this cart. Maybe 2, one for myself and one for my girlfriend. So you can get coffee or tea for 2 ringgit. So you can grab a whole bunch of these, well, whatever you want, these baskets. You can grab some cups here. I think those are for the fruit juices. The cups are pretty small though, for 2 ringgit. But you do get a free refill. So basically this is what the food looks like. You got croissants, got muffins, assorted muffins, you have almond cake. There's a lot of desserts here. I think I will order the chicken meatballs. You have some salmon here as well, and pasta, some chicken I believe, chicken chops. Okay, they didn't have chicken meatballs, so I'm just gonna try these ones here. Yeah, I'll just try the chicken nuggets. Often got some of the vegetable balls. It's coming right now. Thank you. He has some chicken something. It doesn't look like chicken, it looks like just a sausage. And there's some chicken wonton as well. Maybe I'll grab some chicken wonton. Some of the coffee as well. Grabbing some of my tea here. So the total price for the IKEA meal came out to 17 ringgit. And that would include this wonton stuff and also some french fries and some chicken nuggets. And I believe this is some mayonnaise maybe. And then my girlfriend ordered some vegetable meatballs with some couscous. Is that couscous? Quinoa. And then some kind of vegetable. And she ordered a small cup of coffee. And I ordered a tea here. So this is basically an IKEA meal in Malaysia. Headed to the first floor. So yeah, overall, IKEA in Malaysia looks exactly like North America. Makes sense. Just that the items are slightly different to accommodate the local people. You have all the pots and pans in this section on the first floor. There's a strange alarm going off. We're almost near the exit. So we made it all around Malaysia IKEA. Yeah, it was actually kind of fun. At first I didn't really care much about coming here, but then I thought, hey, we're gonna potentially live here in Malaysia, so it could be a place where we can buy our furniture. But overall the prices, I noticed they are roughly about the same prices back home. We would probably get a accommodation that's fully furnished. But if we were to get an accommodation that's unfurnished, we would probably come here to IKEA to buy our stuff. But for those who are looking to stay here long term, just know that there is an IKEA here. IKEA is kind of known to be a build your own furniture type establishment that's relatively cheaper than the average furniture back home in North America. Anyways, now we're just gonna walk around this mall, air conditioned, just check out a couple of stores here. We found a grocery store in the shopping mall. Looks pretty nice. In case anyone's wondering, this is called My Town. lots of stuff to see around here. The malls. And yeah, it's just basically the local area. So I think I will call this the end of the vlog for today, but we had a pretty adventurous day today. But if you like this vlog, please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and go ahead and hit that notification bell for more of my content coming. Thank you for watching my vlog. I hope you have a great day and see you soon.